the same souls had not taken. My sorrow could not awaken my heart to joy at the same tone. And all I loved alone. Then my childhood in the dawn of a most stormy life was drawn from every depth of good and ill. The mystery which binds me still from the torrent or the fountain, from the red cliff of the mountain, from the sun that round me rolled in its autumn tint of gold. As it passed me flying by, from the thunder and the storm and the cloud that took the form, when the rest of heaven was blue of a demon in my view, when the rest of heaven was blue of a demon in my view.